Hi, this is Dennis Orcutt, MarineMax, Lake Wylie Marina. Today we're going to look at a 2020 Harris Float Boat 210 Cruiser. Starting off at the bow of this boat, you can see that we have a nice silver rails on this boat with a diamond black metallic finish. This boat looks great in the sun. Moving back on here, on the forward end we have lots of storage on this boat. For a 21-foot boat, this boat is very nicely appointed. We've also got two cup holders under the bulwarks here with an iPhone storage back here to the starboard side. On the port side, we also have the same. We have a removable cup holder as well, so you can move this around the boat with the folks as they move around. So everybody's got cup holders. Lots of storage under this boat on the starboard side as well. This boat also comes equipped with under-seat lighting. So the under-seat lighting can also be changed with your moods. So you can do various colors of the rainbow on this. This is really nice at night, folks, when you're out on a little wine cruise. It comes equipped with 5 speakers, 2 in the front, 1 on the helm, and 2 on the stern of this boat. You've got lots of storage up under the helm as well for this boat. This boat does have plenty of upgrades, full instrumentation. You got gas, miles per hour, depth gauge, RPM, and your trim. Also, for charging your iPhone or your devices, you've got a built-in USB. This boat also comes with an upgraded JL audio stereo. High back helm seat, flip up armrest. This also moves fore and aft as well. Moving back to the aft portion of the boat, we have a trash can. Lots more storage around here. This is your battery compartment with your on-off switch as well. Moving to the back of the boat, we've also got a nice flip-up compartment back here, so you've got a lot of place to put your water toys, your tubes, your ropes for water sports. Once again, for a 210 boat, this boat has a lot of storage. This boat is equipped with a Mercury 150 engine. Once again, my name is Dennis Orcutt, MarineMax, Lake Wylie Marina. If this is a boat that you would be interested in seeing, please give us a call, 803-831-2101. Thank you.